Hello, Stonebridge Country Club. This is Tim Jones, your general manager, and I'm glad to have with me today Jeff Nunner. He's our owner's representative for the project, and we've been working with him now for almost a year. Jeff, why don't you tell us a little bit about yourself?
Thanks, Tim. Thanks for the opportunity for me to introduce myself. I will use my background as a licensed civil engineer and building contractor to manage the facilities project from the design phase through construction. I have completed several local similar projects and have been doing owner's representative work exclusively for the last 25 years. Some of the local projects I have completed include Collier's Reserve, Old Hickory, Sterling Oaks, and Quail Creek.
So Jeff, you know we have a really limited footprint here to work with, so we had to look at this from a lot of different perspectives to optimize the land. Can you tell us more about that process?
The Facilities Committee considered several site iterations over the last several months and determined there were two key design elements in order to maximize the site and create more open space than existing. The first is to push out the existing lake bulkhead that will become a rock wall as part of the golf course project. The second is to square off the new two-story community center building that replaces the existing fitness building. Once these decisions were made, the bistro location fell into place and the pool centered between the two new buildings.
That's a great point about the pool, Jeff, because where we're standing right now on the pool deck is actually where the new bistro is going to be located. All of these things are so integral to each other as far as the layout and the new positioning of things and the gaining of land. The net effect is we'll have an additional 10,000 square feet of land to work with. So the footprint and what you look at today will actually be more spacious after the renovation.
That's right, Tim. There are many benefits to the new site plan. By squaring off the community center building, it allows more efficient parking in front of the building. We've also planned for an arbor walkway from the parking area to the new bistro, creating a grand entrance to the new facilities. We have two bocce ball courts planned with access to the new bistro and restroom area. Also, there's improved vehicular access to the loading and delivery areas.
So Jeff, your civil engineer background is going to be so helpful to us on the facility side, but also on the golf course. Can you tell us a little bit about the advantages of doing both projects at the same time?
That's right, Tim. There are benefits to completing the facilities project and the golf course project in the same construction season. That includes less disruption to membership and staff, reduced risk of increased construction cost, better use of club resources, and there are local permitting advantages to doing each project in the same construction season.
Thank you, Jeff, and thank you, members. We look forward to having a positive outcome to this vote so we can get this all done and have the members enjoying their new facilities.